You click this because you're tired of hearing about dropshipping phone cases or selling print-on-demand t-shirts. You want the weird, overlooked niches that actually make money. Most entrepreneurs believe the only path to e-commerce money is battling it out in saturated markets: electronics, clothing, the usual suspects. They're wrong, and that mistake is costing them everything. The secret isn't chasing what everyone wants. It's owning what a small group desperately needs. The money's hiding in bizarre, hyper-niche products most people dismiss as jokes. I've consulted over 50 entrepreneurs pulling 7 figures annually from products that sound ridiculous. Today, you're getting 3 of them. We're dissecting how people bank millions selling premium dirt, hyper-specific used goods, and the crown jewel, the anti-digital service. First up, premium biome kits. Dirt, moss, and specialty substrate. Sounds unsellable, right? Wrong. You're not selling dirt. You're selling convenience. Here's your play. Ditch bulk commodities entirely. Build a terrarium starter kit for rare tropical plants instead. Hunt down hyper-specific, nearly impossible to source ingredients, like Japanese akadama soil and rare pigmented moss. The materials plant collectors waste hours finding. Bundle it at $80. You've just solved their sourcing nightmare, not handed them a bag of dirt. You see, by offering curated kits, you avoid the commodity trap and tap into a market willing to pay for convenience and quality. Second, the vintage obsolete equipment niche. You become the only supplier for parts manufacturers abandoned 15+ years ago. This isn't nostalgia collecting, it's functional scarcity. Your assignment: dive into obscure subreddits and forums for 15 to 30-year-old hobbies. Target vintage model trains, specific arcade machine components, or discontinued scuba regulators. Buy 10 units of one broken specific model. Identify the single missing part causing failure. 3D print replacements. Then sell the refurbished units at a 500% markup. You've just created irreplaceable inventory in a market with zero competition. This niche weaponizes scarcity. Collectors and enthusiasts will pay anything, and I mean anything, to keep their prized equipment running. But here's the problem. Without a system, you'll waste weeks wandering forums aimlessly. That's why I built the Uncommon Niche Finder checklist. The exact 5-step framework my clients use to discover these opportunities, source inventory, and structure the business legally. It's free. Grab it using the link below right now. Finally, the highest value play, the offline service sourced online. You're not selling products. You're selling access to intensely localized, difficult-to-book services that wealthy people struggle to find. Think luxury landscape boulder rental or placement. Here's the model. You're not a landscaping company. You're the digital intermediary. You don't own rocks or cranes. You build a polished, hyper-local website and pre-sell the design and logistics to high-net-worth homeowners for $5,000. You subcontract the actual work to a local stone yard or landscaper for $3,000 and keep the $2,000 margin for orchestrating the deal, not hauling boulders. A core principle: the internet is the ultimate arbitrage engine. You're exploiting the gap between high-friction, low-tech local services and low-friction, high-tech online marketing. You're not selling rocks. You're selling convenience, design expertise, and status, all packaged around a giant, beautiful boulder that transforms their property. The path to 7 figures isn't through high-demand, cutthroat markets. It's buried in the weird, the boring but necessary, and the hyper-local opportunities everyone else ignores. Target the enthusiast who needs specialty soil, the collector hunting for one specific discontinued part, the wealthy homeowner who pay thousands to avoid the logistical nightmare of sourcing the perfect boulder. You build an unbreakable moat by becoming the only supplier for something strange and essential. That's defensible. That's profitable. Grab the Uncommon Niche Finder checklist now. It's the fastest route from concept to cash flow. The link's below. Your weird fortune is waiting. Go claim it.